Hello friends, I am super excited to show you this website. This website is very trusted website, is available into many countries, but also on this website is free to join website. You don't have to pay for anything for you to join on this website, and more than 80,000 people are joining on this website every single day, and every single second someone receives donation on this website. So it's very trusted and very easy to use. That's the reason many people are joining on this platform. And this is what makes me very interested on this website. So I decided to come up with this website so that I can show you and you can join on this website. And after you reach your goal, your money will be sent on your bank account right away. So I'm going to show you this example so that you can really trust that this website is very trusted. So if you are having hard time to go to school and you really need school fees, you may want to go ahead on this platform and ask for school fees, and these good people will absolutely donate money for you. It can be you need money to go to hospital and all that. You may want to go ahead and join on this platform and start asking for this help, and good people will absolutely donate money for you. So I'm going to show you this example so that you can really believe that this website really works. So as you can see, this cow was sick, and the owner of this cow was asking for at least $10,000, and as you can see, up to now he has raised more than $17,000 on this platform just for this cow. $17,000 just for one cow that was sick. So many people are trusting this website, and many people are getting financial help on this website. That's the reason I decided to show you this website so that you can also go ahead and join on this website. It may be you really need money for education. It can be you really need money for medical attention. You may want to go ahead and ask for any help that you may need on this platform, and these good people are absolutely going to donate money for you. So this website is called GoFundMe, but don't worry if this is not available into a country. I'm going to show you this other best website that is really going to help you. All right, so this is our second website, and I'm pretty sure that you will find this very interesting because on here we see that this person received $11,000, $9,000, $7,000, $4,000 and more. A lot of people are receiving money on this platform. So this website is very special for anyone who is sick. So let's say that you're really sick right now and you don't have anywhere to get money for you to get medical attention. All you want to do is that you can go to this website and explain like what you're really suffering from, and this website will help you to connect with people who are going to donate money for you. It can be your sibling who is really sick, so you can go ahead and ask for help on this platform, and you can absolutely get the money that you want from this website. So these are very simple questions that you'll be asked on these platforms, like how much you want and what are you really suffering for. And after answering these questions, you can join on this platform, and after getting on this platform, it will be so easy for you to be connected with these people who may want to donate money for you. So all you want to do right now, you need to go to this website, which is called Ketto, and join on the platform and see how much you're going to receive and how this money is going to help you to get out of that situation that you're passing through right now. So right now, let's go to our next one. This next platform is available into many countries. As you can see here, African countries, Asian countries, USA, and European countries. So once you join on this platform, you can start receiving donation right away. And as you can see here, this person raised $1,600, and the last donation was like 15 minutes ago. So you can see people are really active to donate money on this platform. And up here we see this person, he raised $7,000. Last donation was like 30 minutes ago. So the good thing about these platforms, people are very active. People are donating money like every single time. So if you come up with this good cause, good story that can motivate people to go ahead and donate money for you, I'm pretty sure that this website is just for you. This website is called GiveSendGo. Is available into many countries, is available nearly everywhere. So all you want to do right now, you can go to this platform, join. You just have to come up with this reason that you may want to motivate people to donate money for you. So let's go to our next platform. So I think this one is among of the best websites so far in this video because it's very easy to use. And all you want to do right now, you can go to this website and you can see here you have to choose what you want this money for. So let's say that you want people to fund on your trip. So all you want to do is that you need to click here, trip or travel. Then if you want people to support you on a small business, you can just go ahead and click here. And if you want money for education, okay, you can just go ahead and click here, education. So let's see how much people are really receiving from this platform. This person received $12,000 on the platforms, and this one $5,000 on the platform. You can go ahead and join on this platform, try your chance, and explain like how much you really want. And I always say that you don't have to mention high amount of money. You can just say $2,000. It can be enough for you. Maybe $5,000. It can be enough for you. And people will really donate money for you if you come up with this minimum amount. So right now, let's go to our next website. This next website is very famous website, but most of people don't take this seriously. This website is called Facebook Fundraising. If you join Facebook, there are this category which is called fundraising, and if you join on this Facebook fundraising, it can be very easy for you to get donation. And there are many categories that you can ask donation for. It can be that you want money for personal emergencies like medical bills, education, and any community support. All you want to do right now, you can go to Facebook and join on this Facebook fundraising. You can start your campaign and start receiving donation from different people around the world. And the good thing about this is that most of us know how to use Facebook, so it will be very easy for us to join on this Facebook fundraising and start to promote our campaign. And at the end of the time, we can start receiving donation from Facebook. So this one is very easy to use, and I recommend, if you never use any of these how to get help online, I really recommend you can start with Facebook, because you already have this audience and also you already have this experience on how to use Facebook. So it will be so easy for you to start your campaign on Facebook fundraising. So right now, let's go to PayPal donation link. So how does this work? This works once you have a little audience. It can be you have this audience on Facebook. It can be you have this audience from Instagram or YouTube. So once you have this audience, you can convince your audience to go ahead and donate money through your PayPal link. This one is very, very common, and a lot of people are using this to get support from their audience, and it's very, very, very easy. So right now, let's go to our last website, which is called Patreon, and this allows people who are watching you to support you. On this platform, you need to have this audience that are waiting for your content. It can be that you're posting on this platform. It can be that you're posting about encouragement and giving people advice and all that. So people who are watching your content, they may be able to support you monthly by paying you through subscription, and this one is very, very common, and a lot of content creators right now, they're using Patreon. It's very good if you already have this little audience, so that you can monetize your audience and start receiving money through your audience and start receiving support through your audience. This last website, but the other website that I mentioned, like GoFundMe, GiveSendGo, Go GoGetFunding.org, all these websites, they are very, very good. Even if you don't have audience, you just have to go ahead and join on this website and start sharing these two different platforms and explain like how much you really want and how are you going to use this money that you're going to get from these platforms. So after that, people will be so ready to donate money for you. So the last thing that I want to say is that all these donations are really not guaranteed. You are not 100% guaranteed that you're going to get this donation. You just have to use different tips to make sure that you convince people to donate money for you. And you just have to make sure that you're using the right platform for you to receive this donation. Otherwise, it can be so hard, because you just need to be very consistent while you're asking for help on these platforms, and you just have to use different platforms. So if this doesn't work, you can go ahead and use the other one, and until it works, maybe that you're good to go. So thanks so much for watching my videos. Just have to pray to God that this campaign that you just started is really going to work out. And I'm not going to say that it's guaranteed, but I'm pretty sure that if you follow all the process, all the procedures, and all the tips on how to get help online, you can absolutely get this help that you want. So if you're facing any financial difficulty right now, I want to pray for you, and may God help you to get through this season that you are in right now. Thank you so much. I've been there and I know how it feels. So I'm praying for you so that if you can start any campaign through this website that I've just mentioned, your campaign is going to be successful. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you on my next videos. See you.